lot of people are in the same process when they are in their teens or late teens and early 20s, that I have a lot of dreams, I want to really do whatever I want to do in my life, but they have lots of obstacles, like people not supporting them, not having enough money. So I think
Dipesh, why MyWindow as a starter?
I really feel that as an individual in today's era, that you need to have a platform where you can actually sell things very easily. Maybe like send a message so easily via WhatsApp, send or via Facebook, or but you can't really sell anything very easily today on Flipkart or Amazon, right? So you need to have a platform where you can sell anything, accept payments for anything. So make selling very easily for people. So that's why we went to this platform of MyWindow. See, I love the idea of having freedom in terms of choosing what you want to do in your life. So entrepreneurship is all about that, having the freedom to do anything what you want. So yeah, I mean the freedom of choice. That's the biggest thing. I mean, I really believe that is the reason I'm into entrepreneurship. Or maybe like to do anything. Even if when I did filmmaking, I was just having the freedom to make films. I'm even planning to write a book right now, to make a film right now after that. So it's not only about entrepreneurship, maybe even just so it's just about freedom of choice. Whatever you want to do in your life. A lot of people are in the same process when they are in their teens or late teens and early 20s, that I have a lot of dreams, I want to really do whatever I want to do in my life, but they have lots of obstacles, like people not supporting them, not having enough money. So I think I have gone through the same things, and I have had my share of achieving my dreams in certain sense. I have certain things on my bucket list that I've ticked off because of some very different reasons. So I feel like if I can share those things to people, I think it would be really nice. And of course, giving is the best thing. And so I would like to give to the community. So it's all about helping people to do what they want to do in their life.
So one quote which sums up the success or isn't some kind of a motivation of Nikunj. Only one quote.
Follow your bliss.
Follow this.
That's it. I mean, I think that's one of the best things that have been ever spoken from a human tongue by, I don't know whom I'm forgetting. I've heard that. Follow your bliss. I mean, that's just what life is about for me. Just follow your bliss. That's it.
Great. Thank you.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries. Tell me where